All right, guys, we're in the final stages of construction on this home, so let's take a look at a few of these air ducts. Obviously, this floor needs to be cleaned up yet, but as we walk through and look through some of these vents, there's quite a bit of stuff in here that just ends up being caused, just even reaching your hand in here. This is just a few things that come out of air ducts when we go through and clean them. And when you're doing construction, you can't clog these, you can't cover them because you still need airflow in the home. So no matter what you do, you're still gonna get a ton of just debris that ends up building. That's just one air duct. If we go over here and look at another one, there's a whole new ecosystem of just junk and debris in here. I'm reaching my hand, you can see all the dust that comes out. And this is stuff that just ends up in the air ducts. Even if you have the most tidy professional contractor in the world, this stuff is still gonna end up in the air ducts. And you can see it's a huge mess. And if you don't have your air ducts cleaned after a construction project, what's gonna happen is you're gonna do a final clean here. It's gonna look really nice. And you come in and you turn on the air or the heat, and all the debris that's in your vents, it's just gonna be blowing right back out. You're gonna have dust on all your new stuff, your countertops, nightstand, things like that. So if you have that kind of stuff built in your home, it's never too late to have your air ducts cleaned. We highly recommend having it done after a new construction project or every 3 to 4 years. Once you're done with your final construction cleanup, the last thing you should do before you move in is have your air ducts cleaned to prevent dust and debris getting all over your new stuff.